We just are finishing up our homeschool day. The kids did a really good job. It's not as scary as I thought it was going to be. I called my sister-in-law a little bit freaking out this morning, but it all ended up just fine. We were able to get work done as well as homeschool done, and now it's 4:30 and it just feels like the day went by like that. I wanted to encourage you because the days are going to be really long while you're working at home and you're also homeschooling. So take it from me, a veteran homeschooler, you do not want to be drinking coffee all day long while you're homeschooling, or you will rage at your kids. And we've already talked about this a lot, right? That coffee is not the best thing for your adrenal glands. Coffee is not the best thing for your endocrine system. If you're struggling with PMS or any sort of hormone imbalance, you're probably not going to want to have a ton of coffee throughout the day. So I have been drinking my hot chocolate cravings buster today. It's something that we drink all the time in the 28-day reset, which is happening on September 8th. So please come in and hang out with us. It really is a fun and encouraging group of women learning how to nourish and care for their bodies. But the hot chocolate cravings buster is like one of our core recipes. In fact, I call it one of my core hormone recipes because it really does help balance out your hormones. It's not giving you that crazy spike in blood glucose. It's not giving you that crazy spike in cortisol. Today, I literally drank 2 of them in my giant mug. I don't know if Katie Downs ever watches these, but Katie, thank you for my cool bird mug. I freaking love it and use it all the time. Anyways, I had 2 of these today, and this is not a small mug. I just sit here doing my consultations with clients and totally enjoy my hot chocolate cravings buster. So I'm going to drop that recipe into the chat so that you can see it too. But it's a great way, to do all the things, like meet all the reasons that you actually want coffee. It's warm, it's creamy, it's comforting, and it smells really, really good. And oftentimes I'll add spices to, like cinnamon or pumpkin spice, and make it really delicious. But I'm telling you, it's gonna make your homeschool days easier and not harder. So again, I'm gonna drop that recipe for you in the comments. If you use it, if you've had it, let me know. I'd love to hear it. It has saved many a woman writing me a hate email after I told them they have to take coffee away from their mornings. They're like, well, WTF do I drink now that you're taking away my coffee? And I say, well, I have got something for you. It's not coffee, but it's almost just as good. And after you've been drinking it for a couple months, I think you'll agree. Anyways, hopefully that helps you. It's just one little hack to make your mornings and your days easier. If it's helpful for you and if you like it, there's a lot more content on my website, www.jenniferwoodwardnutrition.com. Lots of recipes, meal plans, easy ways for you to nourish yourself and nourish those that depend on you. All right, you guys have a great afternoon. Bye.